Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man. We're out here with man like Morgan, man. Man like Morgan. Free the man on inside, man. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Morgan free, man. But this is Morgan from Ipswich, blood. He's coming here with a stand the rain, blood. Come on now. Y'all know what time it is here. Gotta subscribe to the boy. Like the video. You see what I'm saying? Normal, yeah? Come on, man. Let's support the boy right now. So in years to come, when the boy's out here, you that had a chance to support when it's just maybe 3, 4, 5 man in between you and the guy. Now it's 1 million people between you and the guy, and you're surprised why you can't reach the guy. But dog, try and support your people from the ground up, yeah? Come on now. Let's get it. Y'all know what time it is. Tell my man I'm inside, man. Hey, from Kenya, yes, sir. About the uncle, man. Y'all know what time it is. Kwani the Kesho. Mashiyangu na Mungu nzuri, yeah? To my Ghanaians inside as well. Come on now. Bibi Abokor, yeah? You know what time it is. It's a saying, come on now, Kwaba. Normal level. Let's get it, man. Morgan, what you got for me? Stand in the rain, yeah? Let's go. Woo! Woo! Morgan's be eating good, blood. Yeah, first observations. Morgan's be eating good. Fam, last time I saw Broski during lockdown, fam. Ain't nobody locked down no more. Man's out here at the restaurants, yeah? Hey, let's go. Come on. Enough of the joke thing. Yes, sir. Hey.
I treat the boots just like your bitch the way I put it down.
Woo!
Petals on the floor make romantic sounds. Everybody talking throne, they don't hold no crown.
I ever
All
said.
these niggas sharing hand-me-downs. Come for me, I'll never get it.
Yeah.
Run it clear cause leg day we never skipping. Steph Curry with the shot, I ain't never missing.
Yes, sir.
These niggas swimmers cause I'm burning bridges. I treat the game like your bitch, I got a firm hold.
Yeah.
Laughing at these niggas like they telling jokes. Hanging out with these words, don't give me rope. Them
That's a man that is introspectively telling you how he sees reality. Man said, I be laughing like a joker. Like this nigga's telling jokes, blood. Yeah, when you're out here chatty patty, not making any sense. Morgan's like, really, bro? Come on, man. Yeah, different. Let's get it.
These niggas like they telling jokes.
Yeah.
Hanging man with these words, don't give me rope.
Yeah.
Them boy, Papa Doc, the way they choke. No comparison, can't match ambition. Really stand the rain, I'm new edition.
Yeah.
My shit hitting different.
Yeah.
All they do is cap, they knew era fit.
Tell me, can you stand the rain? Fall down, will they open heaven's gates? Cause I'm not running with all this weight.
Yes,
On
sir.
me now.
Aye, it's about to be my really shit yet.
Yeah.
I be on the next,
Yeah.
talking like we rookies, let them know that we the vets. DJ
Yes,
Khaled, we
sir.
the best.
Woo-hoo.
Referee in the heads.
Man said, talking like the rookies, let them know that we the vets. Woohoo! Oh, he's been out here, broski. Come on, man. We're living real life to produce real music. You see what I'm saying?
We rookies, let
Different.
them know that we the vets. DJ
Yeah.
Khaled, we the best.
Yeah.
Referee in the heads.
Yeah.
Talking on my name, but never talking with the chest.
Yes,
No
sir.
survival. Trying to take this viral.
Yeah.
People looking up to me, no time to be an idol.
Yes,
Can't
sir.
forget my sliders. I ain't got no rivals.
Yes,
Killing it
sir.
so much, I got these niggas suicidal.
Woo-hoo.
Leave me out the drama, I ain't with no acting.
Yes,
Man, I'm
sir.
talking pull up, but no one's doing crashing.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
trust the soul, got me walking backwards.
Yeah.
Man, I'm talking smoking too much backwards.
Woo! Nah, chill out, coach. Chill out with that double tundra right there. Talking about backwards and niggas going backwards. Now they're smoking too much. Trying to go.
No acting,
Yeah.
man, I'm talking pull up, but no one's doing crashing. I don't trust the soul, got me walking backwards. Man, I'm talking smoking too much backwards.
Yes.
Kill these hook lines, no sinker.
Woo!
Spinning rhythms like I'm Yinka.
Oh, you see the vibes, the hook line on sinker, spinning rhythms like the Yinka girl in Capital One Extra, yeah? Sayless or Capital Extra. Hey, man, whatever that show is, come on, y'all know what time it is. Capital One, yeah? Big dog, how long have I been out the UK? I don't even know the name of the radio station. Big dog. Come on, man. Hey, y'all know what time it is. You get the bar. Come on now. Let's go.
Kill these hook lines, no sinker. Spinning rhythms like I'm Yinka. These are just some thoughts on my mind. Calm, still an overthinker.
Tell me, can
yo, this song right here, yeah, this is putting you in the mind of a introspective guy that has been going through all of this. Like, fam, the song is literally it's balanced in such a way where he's coming with that crud, but also letting you know his vulnerabilities. You see what I'm saying? The same vibe, man. This whole tune is a double entendre on its own, fam. Let's get it.
Running with all this weight on me now.
Woo! Yeah. Yes, sir. Woo! Man, like Morgan. Now, Morgan just gotta keep at it, man. Morgan, you just gotta keep at it. Cause on time, all of this work right here, come on, man, it's all gonna pay off. I'm telling you, as far as Broski doesn't give up, the right audience are there right there. Trust me. If man like Tyler the Creator can build an audience after just that longevity, come on, man. Don't worry about it. I'm telling you. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all have a lovely day, man. This is Musical that matters at the end of the day. So, come on. He's going to be alright. Y'all have a lovely day. Y'all stay true. Morgan, what you got in my head now, man? I can't even talk no more. Yo, y'all stay true to your damn selves, man. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all have a lovely day, man. Come on. Take care of yourselves, yeah. Let me know what other Morgan do we need to check out. I mean, I've saved a couple songs that we need to, add to the Morgan playlist. But, I got y'all, man. Y'all have a lovely day. Stay true to your damn selves. Take care. Toodles.